से ये भी सुना कि I'm being melodramatic.
You've lost all right to ask me how long I stayed back.
Do I know you?
There's been a major drought at the ticket windows courtesy the World Cup frenzy, and the films that released over the last week didn't quite conjure any mass at the multiplexes. However, this week does see some films coming up. So among the commercial films, Game and Faltu that see the light of the day, this week comes out an art house cinema, Memories in March. Whether it may make any noise or not, let's find out. Written by the ace filmmaker of Bengali cinema Rituparna Ghosh, Memories in March is a touching story of a mother coming to terms with her son's twisted sexual orientation, but after his death. Based in Kolkata, Sid, whose presence has only been through his letters, meets with an accident and dies. His mother, played by Dipti Nawal, flies from Delhi for his cremation, where she meets his colleagues and through one of them, that is Raima Sen, gets to know that Sid was gay and in a relationship with his boss, played by Rituparna himself. How she deals with this information and in the process develops fondness for his partner is what follows through the rest of the plot. Memories in March boasts of acclaimed actors like Raima Sen, Dipti Nawal and the coveted filmmaker of Bengal, Rituparna Ghosh. However, despite having such stellar cast, the film fails to create an impact on the minds of the people. In a bid to subtly show emotions, debutant director Sanjoy Nag doesn't quite manage to instill the stickiness in the subject. Even the pace of the film is very dreary and could have been edited better. Having said that, there are some scenes which stay in your mind, courtesy the sheer brilliance of acting by renowned actors. Overall, Memories in March may not survive an entire April. We at Rajshri.com give it 2 stars.
मालूम है आज अपना जन्मदिन है. हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलो.